Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're ticking through the history and mysteries of time with 15 fascinating facts about clocks. So, set your watches and let's get started. Fact 1. The oldest clock. Did you know that the oldest working clock is over 600 years old? The Salisbury Cathedral clock in England, built in 1386, still keeps time without any hands or face. Fact 2. Sundials, the first clocks. Before mechanical clocks, people used sundials to tell time. Ancient Egyptians invented them around 1500 BC using the position of the sun's shadow to mark the hours. Fact 3. The birth of the minute hand. The minute hand wasn't always part of clocks. It was introduced in the late 16th century, and by the 17th century, it became a standard feature on most clocks. Fact 4. Big Ben's accuracy. Big Ben, the iconic clock tower in London, is known for its accuracy. Its pendulum has a stack of old pennies on it to adjust the time. Adding or removing a penny can change the clock's speed by 0.4 seconds per day. Fact 5. The atomic clock. The most accurate clocks in the world are atomic clocks. They measure time by the vibrations of atoms, like cesium or rubidium, and can be accurate to within a billionth of a second. Fact 6. Cuckoo clocks. Cuckoo clocks, famous for their charming bird call, originated in the Black Forest region of Germany in the 18th century. Each hour, a tiny bird pops out and sings to tell the time. Fact 7. The Doomsday Clock. The Doomsday Clock, created in 1947, isn't a real clock but a symbolic one. It represents how close humanity is to catastrophic destruction, with midnight symbolizing the end. It's currently set at 100 seconds to midnight. Fact 8. Water clocks. Ancient Greeks and Egyptians used water clocks, also known as clepsydras. They measured time by the steady flow of water from one container to another. Fact 9. The 24-hour clock. The 24-hour clock, also known as military time, eliminates the need for AM and PM. It's commonly used in hospitals, military operations, and other settings where precision is crucial. Fact 10. Leap seconds. To keep our clocks in sync with Earth's slowing rotation, we occasionally add a leap second. Since 1972, 27 leap seconds have been added to Coordinated Universal Time (UTC). Fact 11. Clock towers around the world. Many cities have iconic clock towers. Prague's astronomical clock, built in 1410, is the oldest clock still operating. Its early show of moving figures attracts crowds of tourists. Fact 12. Digital clocks. The first digital clocks appeared in the 1970s, revolutionizing how we tell time. Unlike traditional clocks, they display time numerically, making them easier to read at a glance. Fact 13. The Swiss watch industry. Switzerland is renowned for its watchmaking. Swiss watches are famous for their precision and craftsmanship, with brands like Rolex and Patek Philippe leading the industry.
Fact 14. Clockwise and counterclockwise. Ever wondered why clock hands move clockwise? It's based on the direction shadows moved on sundials in the northern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, shadows move counterclockwise. Fact 15. The future of clocks. With advancements in technology, clocks are getting smarter. Smartwatches can track our health, send messages, and even make calls, blending timekeeping with modern convenience. And there you have it, 15 fascinating facts about clocks that highlight their rich history and evolution. Time truly is a remarkable concept, and clocks help us keep track of every precious moment. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing facts. Until next time, keep ticking.